Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So this video is regarding a demo class presented for a subject social studies for the students of SSLC. Okay, so we have already uploaded the other subject demo classes as well, telling our viewers that how we train our students for the respective subjects. So the next thing what we are dealing with is the social studies. So this is something which some of the students find it easy, some of the students finds it boring, some of the students finds it difficult to study. So here we are to present you a strategy to how you can gain the maximum marks in social studies, because this chapter has all the brief type questions. So not all the students can learn the essay type questions. So we will be giving them the strategy like how they can study. Okay. So first thing is that first, as always in the crash course, we have been always following the blueprint. So blueprint is our key to success. Okay. Whenever we are at the end moment, the students first should move to the blueprint. So according to the blueprint have segregated the entire marks in such a way that this chapter geography is having, that is the part geography is having the maximum marks of 20. Okay, so just for 20, if you study the entire geography part, you will get a 20 marks. So in that also, if you see here, you can study the important things. Water resources holds the 5 marks in the geography part, and then manufacturing industries holds the 6 marks. So here only you can find it out that 11 marks is already covered. So in the geography part as well, if you are finding difficult to study the entire geography part, we will first segregate the blueprint into the parts, that is geography, economics, history, civics. Okay, so in geography part, if the student is not comfortable studying all the geography chapters, the important chapter which holds the maximum marks, first we will study that. Okay, water resources first. Okay, so in water resources it holds 5 marks. Then manufacturing industries, that holds 6 marks. So total 11. Here we have gained the 11 marks. Then if you don't want to study the entire thing, I am telling, if students find it easy to study the entire geography part, then well and good. Now moving on to the history part. So in history part, the marks is distributed as 20 itself. So in 20 marks, the important chapter in history is the nationalism in India, that holds the 5 marks, and rise of nationalism. So these two chapters of history part can gain you 10 marks. So in history, rise of nationalism and nationalism in India. So with this 5, 10 marks you gained here. Okay, so in civics part, the questions the highest scoring or the highest weightage chapter is power sharing, 6 marks in civics. Six marks. Then political parties, 5 marks. So with this 11, 22 plus 10, we are having the 32 marks in our hands. Then in economics thing, 7 marks sectors. That is the 7 marks. If we add 7 to this, 39 marks. That is the passing marks. just by studying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 chapters you can study and get the passing marks. This is the strategy. This is just a small strategy to gain the passing marks in social studies. Okay, so this is how we have divided the things, and we are training the student according to the status of the student. If a student is the topper, then we will train the student in such a way that student should get the state rank. So this was just an example that how we train our students and how we follow this strategy, okay, rather than the hard work. Okay, so this was just an overview, and mock test as we will be giving them to train them that how you have to present their answers in their answer sheets. Then the regular monitoring will be given to the student whoever enrolls in our institution. So the fee structure is already uploaded in the YouTube channel. You can check out that and hurry up, enroll in our institution to avail all this opportunity and fly with a good, beautiful marks. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.